Okay, so in this video we shall be factorizing quadratic expressions. Okay, and the first one says a square plus 8a plus 15, right? So how to do this one is we have 8a plus 8a plus 15. Okay, we look for two numbers. The kind of factors of this. Okay, factors of 15 is what is factors of 15. We have 1, 3, 5, and then 15 itself. Okay, yeah, and then you look for the factors of this 15 that if you multiply can give us this 15, but if you add or subtract will give us plus 8a, and that is 3 and 3 and 5. Okay, now 3 times 5 is 15, and then 3a plus 5a will give us 8a. Okay, so this and this will now take the position of this, while this will remain constant. Okay, so let's go. So we have 8 a squared plus what, plus 3a plus 5a plus 15. See that this is what we call the sum of roots. Okay, this is product of root. So put this in bracket, this in bracket. Okay, now we factor out whatever is common here, and what is common here is what is a. But when we say what is common, we are talking about those variables that are found, that are found both here or in another way. We are talking about, their highest common word, their highest common factor, that is HCF, that is a. So a here we have a plus what, plus 3. What is common here is what is, as you can see, the highest common factor is what is 5, because 5 can divide itself, no remainder, and then 5 can divide this without what, a remainder. So you have plus what, plus 5 into what, into a plus what, 3. And you need to be careful here, because most times we may make mistake of here and here not being the same thing. Here and here has to agree. Okay, now how to also verify that you are right. 5 times a will give us back this, 5 times 3 will give us back this. If it is otherwise, then know that you are wrong. So we now have, since this and this are the same, we pick one. So we now have that a plus what, 3, and then bracket a plus what, plus 5. Okay, and this is our final answer to this, right? Now we go back to the next one. The next one says m squared plus 4m minus 2 1. Okay, let's do that up. Let's do it up here. So this is what, this is going to give me still two numbers again that can give me this in terms of product. We have 3 times 7 can give us this, right? Okay, and then minus this times it will give us minus this, and then we know that 7 minus 3 can give us what, can give us 4. Okay, so in other words we are saying the product here is what, is 7 times minus 3. Okay, it's going to give us minus 21, and we know that 7 minus 3 can give us what, can give us 4. Okay, so we now implement this. We now carry this and put in place of what, in place of this. Okay, with the variable. So we now have, they're taking it up here, we now have m squared. Okay, m squared plus minus 3m plus 7m minus 21. Okay, so this and this in bracket, this and this in bracket. The next thing now is you look for the common word, common factor, factorial. What is common here is m. I have m into what, m, then minus 3. I have here, what is common here is 7. So I have 7 into what, m minus what, 3. Okay, like I said, you can check if you are right. 7 times this is 7m, and 7 times and minus 3 is minus 21. So this and this, as you can see, they are in tandem, so we bring them out. So this, then we have m plus what? Plus 7. Okay, so this has become what? This has become the result of what? Of this. Okay, you factorize it. This and this, they are the factors of what? Of this expression. The last but not the least. So the last but not the least, if we have a squared minus plus 5ab, then minus 336b squared. Okay. Here we are going to get what? The factor of this again. The factor of 36 is they have many factors that can give us this. Okay. Let's check it out, please. We have 36, right? So this is 2 here is 18, 2 here is 9, 3 here is 3, 3 here is 1. Therefore, the factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4. What again? There 6, 9, then 12, right? Then 18 and 36. Let's verify whether we are correct. 1 times this, 36, 2 times this, 36, 2 times this, 36, 4 times this, 36. We have one that is what? That does not have a partner. Okay, whenever you are listing the factors of a particular number and you want to know if all the factors are complete, provided you started with 1, because every factor of a number, 1 is a factor of every number. Okay, and then you start with 1, then end with that same number also. Then to check if if all the factors have been listed down, multiply ends to end. Okay, multiply ends to end. So 1 times this 36, 2 times this 36, 3 times this 36, 4 times 9 is what? 36. We are left with just 1 here, because 36 is not just an ordinary number. 36 is a perfect square. Okay, it's not a solve. That is why we are having what? We are having 1 remaining here. Okay, now pick the factors of this. Okay, factors of this number that if multiplied, two of her factors 2, that if multiplied will give us minus 36. Then if we add or subtract, will give us plus 5 what? AB. Okay, and from what you can see here, 4 and 9 can do that for us. Okay, because 9 times 4 minus 9 times 4 give us minus 36. Okay, and then minus 9 AB, then plus 4 AB would have given us what? Would have given us, let's put it here this way, 9 AB minus 4 AB will give us 5 what? 5 AB. So minus 9 times this, or 9 times minus this, can still give us this. Okay, so this is what we need to resolve this. All right, so that was just a reminder, and then we now say a squared plus what? Plus let's pick this one first, minus 4ab, then plus 9ab, then minus 36b squared. Okay, and put this in a bracket. You put this also in a bracket. Okay, now you check what is common. What is common is what? Is a. So a into what? A into a minus 4b. Okay, then plus what is common here is b, and 9 too is common, because 9 is a factor of 36. We spelled it out just now. So we have 9b. So 9b into a, because 9b times this give us this back. So minus what should be there, so that if we multiply by 9 can give us 36 with. That is 4. That is 4. So we have 4b. So this 9b times 4b will give us 36b squared. Okay. So as you can see, this and this are the same. So we pick 1, right? So we now have a plus 9b. A plus 9b is a factor, bracket a minus what? 4b. Okay, so therefore our answer should be a minus 4b, then bracket a plus 9b. Yes. So with this, we've come to the end of this today's video on quadratic expressions. Okay, how to factorize quadratic expressions. Just for a reminder, remember that a factor is any number that can divide another number without what? Without a remainder. And then if you are factorizing an expression like this, you are simply looking for what? You are simply looking for the factors of that particular word, quadratic expressions, which is exactly what we have done here. Please, if you like our video, please comment and subscribe. Thank you.